guys, well, I'm Riley. Welcome to Moving to the Philippines.
Just down here? I was gonna turn the map on so I could see where we are. I recognise where we are now. I'd like to go to that shop where I bought my slides from, which is not too far from the Aireen. Which we've been
there today.
We've been there. We've been to that shops every time we've been to your sister's place. Yeah. I would go really fast and scare the shit out of them. He's pissed. He doesn't know this.
The back of that thing.
And what's that in Tagalog? Kaliwa.
There's a lot for sale. There you are.
It's about 3 metres wide.
You can have 4 stories. Is that what you do with the rubbish? Put it in bags and stick it there?
Yeah, they only collect once.
That's something.
Do we go?
Yep. And what's that Canan? Did I say it right? Hey, buddy.
So maybe park.
Oh. I was going to park where that van was.
Yes, over there. Let me go down.
Yeah, okay. There's the front door. This is the family business. Used to be just the lounge room, now it's the lounge rooms and storage room. Storage.
Ihi ako.
Hello.
Hello.
And it's actually got a couple of bedrooms. One there, there's one in there. I don't know whether there's anybody in there. And this is the original kitchen area, but they've tacked on another floor. There's another bedroom over the back there, and there's all the people busy on their screens. And this is the new addition to the 3rd floor. There's Areen's mum. And ready for the New Year's Day celebration. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, that's how they get up there. I wondered how that happened.
Clothes.
Tricky. Oh!
Lipstick nga. Need to hang this. This is how we fix our bag. Put on the top. Hello.
Without knocking yourself out when it falls down. Hey! Oh, there's even a basketball. Wow, we've got everything going on in here.
Basketball na daw to.
There's a view out the window. Wow. That's there's a big sporting thing next door. Recent solar installation with great big batteries. Baby! What are you eating on the run? Hello. Say, where's Mum? Hey, Mum. Oi. Stop it. How much does one of those cost?
Cost
20. 20,000. Approximately $339 US. Just a small family gathering. 509 Australian dollars. Wow. Look.
Bayad ako dati.
Hindi, kanya ka na rin ante.
Ganyan?
Oh, we can have a Australian wine. It came here in our suitcase.
It's so crunchy.
Just a little family gathering in the Filipino household, and also a birthday party, and it is New Year's Day.
Did you eat all the pork? The lechon?
It's all yours in your tummy. Did Aireen eat it all?
No.
Did you eat all the? Did you do this?
No. It's video.
Smile.
Video. Say hello. Say hello, ate. Ate. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Wala ko sa video.
Are you good? Oh, I can see the sky.
Hello guys, please subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to your channel. What's your channel?
Moving to the Philippines.
That's our channel. Yeah. You're the new moving to the Philippines ambassador, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
imagine buying food from it in this area.
Well, they don't kill each other.
Yeah, but I'm
They,
different.
but oh yeah, that's true. Filipino constitution is much stronger than Western, that's for certain. But you could get some of the best food you'll buy from places like that, though. And one of the interesting things is you'll go to a little eatery or something, and they'll have all these varieties of beautiful food, and they get served to you in a little plastic bag. And you get a drink and in a plastic bag, which is, I guess, better than a polystyrene cup, which would have been. I mean, you probably still get those in the Western world within reason. In God we trust.
A lot of Filipinos do that.
Our driver last from the airport was a driver.
Yes.
I don't feel that.
Yeah, he was.
Very careful.
He's had a lot of experience.
Yeah. You'd only have to drive in this country for a year, and you'd be pretty.
Just as cheeky as the others. Most of them.
Right inside.
So foggy out there.
I think it's a smoggy, actually.
That means you're going too fast.
That guy was coming around the outside as I was coming around the inside. Good on you, bud. He's in more of a hurry. I always think that when you overtake someone on one side and merge around them, that if somebody does exactly the same thing, you can,
In 800 meters, turn right.
Good day, viewers. It's me, Riley again. We hope you enjoyed watching our New Year's party. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.